Today we discuss about the topic of cost accounting in the topic of apportionment of overheads. Calculate this for example, we having a problem. Calculate labor hour rate from the following. What are the information given in it? What we find out? Labor hour rate. What are the information given in this problem? Total number of workers 100, working day in a year 300, number of hours per day worked 8 hours, idle time 5 percentage, factory overhead 11 lakh 40,000, gift of workers 7,000. These are the informations given this problem. Now we go to the solution to the problem. The formula is labor hour rate, factory overhead divided by number of labor hours worked. Number of labor hours worked. The number of labors can be find out. What are the informations needed for the find out the labor hours worked? Number of workers into working days in a year into number of hours per day. These are the informations already given in this problem. They have the informations, gathering the information, and then have find out the answer. Number of workers they are worked in the factory is 300 and working hours in a hour is 100 and number of hours per day is 8. These are the information already given in this problem. 300, 100 and 8. This to be taken into consideration to find out the number of labor hours worked. All of them multiplied and arriving the value of 2,40,000. The ideal time is arriving the amount and then find out the idle time of 5 percentage and it can be deduct from the total value. The 2,40,000 into 5 by 100. They are arriving 12,000. It can be deducted from the 2,40,000. The net balance is for number of labor working hour worked is 2,28,000. And finally, we have to find out the labor hour rate. Labor hour rate is the formula of factory overhead divided by number of workers labor hours worked. The factory overhead is 11 lakh 40,000 and then can be taken into consideration and divided by 2,28,000. We are find out the new balance divided in them. The labor hour rate is rupees pay per 5 per hour. The gift of workers will be included in the administrative overhead, not in a factory overhead. And the we go to next problem. The same like that. What are the informations given in this problem? The following details pertain to the production department of a factory. These are the this is a production department of a factory. They are having the what are the overheads? Material consumed 60,000, direct wages 36,000, machine hours 18,000, labor hours work 27,000, factory overhead 54,000, output during the year 9,000. Calculate the overhead apportionment rate under the different method possible from the above data. Idhil what we find out the maximum output. What are the informations given in this? What are the solution to that? These are the solutions. First, we have to find out direct material percentage rate. What are the information already given in this problem? All the informations to be find out. First, we take the material conceived and then next direct wages and machine hour, labor work. All the informations to be calculated. First one, direct material. Factory overhead divided by direct material into 100. 54,000 is a factory overhead divided by the direct material amount taken into consideration into 100, the percentage is 90. And the direct percentage rate is factory overhead. Again and again, the denominator value, numerator value is same to the all the problem, and denominator is what the information is given in this problem. The numerator is same, all are factory overheads. The denominator is what the information is given in this problem, what the value you have to find out, we have taken into consideration. Like that direct material, wages, prime cost, whatever it may be. And then we have to find a factory overhead, the same amount 54,000, and then divided by 36,000 is here direct wages. Direct wages is 36,000. And the next we have to find out machine hour rate 18,000. Machine hour rate is find 18,000. And the next we have to find out prime cost percentage. The prime cost percentage is added direct wages. A and B, direct wages and direct material. We have to add 60,000 plus 36,000, 96,000. Again, the numerator is factory overhead. Again, the same value 54,000, 96,000 into 100. The percentage is 56.25. And next we have to labor hour rate. Factory overhead by labor hour. 54,000 the 20 divided by 27,000. These are the amount given in this problem. Find out labor rate per hour rupees 2 per hour. And machine hour rate, factory overhead divided by machine hour rate. These are the information given in this problem. Numerator is the same value and denominator is 18,000 machine hours. This information is also already given in this problem. We have to find it rupees 3 per hour. And apportionment rate per unit of output is factory overhead divided by output. 54,000 divided by 9,000 rupees 6 per unit. These are the problem for the solution for that problem. And next we go to machine hour rate. Next we have to find out the machine hour rate. The problem is calculate machine hour rate to cover overhead expenses indicated below. What are the informations given this? Per hour and per year. What is per hour? Electric power per hour, steam per hour, water per hour. Per year information is rent 270, repairs 550, running hours 2000. The original cost of the machine is to be 15,000, book value is 3,500, replacement value is 1,000, 11,500, depreciation is 10% on original cost. These are the problem. You have to find out the solution. The machine hour rate is rate per hour. The standard charges is rent is per annum 270 per annum. It can be converted into the per hour. 270 divided by total hours in a year is 2000 divided by 2000. 270 divided by 2000. The per hour rate is 0.135. And machine hour expenses is electric power. This can be given in this hour rate, and steam water already given in this hour rate. That's why we have take the exact amount whatever given in this problem. And the next repairs, it can be in the yearly value 550, can be divided into 2000 hourly rate, divided by hours, which the data are given in this per annum. We have to divide it by the total hours of the year, that is 2000 hours in this problem. Have converted into hourly rate. And next one, depreciation 10% on machine value 15,000. 10% machine value is 1,500 per annum. It can be converted into the hourly basis. 1,500 divided by 2,000, 0.750. The total machine hour rate is added 2.410. These are the solution to that problem. It's a simple manner. We have to all the data converted into hourly, and it can be find out the machine hour rate. The next problem, work out machine hour rate from the following particulars. Cost of machines 90,000, installation charges 12,000, scrap value 2,000, work life 10 years, working hours 2,000 per year, repairs charges 50% of depreciation, power 10 units per hour at the rate of 10 paise per unit, lubrication oil at the rate of rupees 40 per day of 8 hours, consumable stores rupees 20 per day of 8 hours, wages of operators rupees 56 per day. These are the information. They once again the same to be considered. The working hours is total working hours per year is 2,000. These are the problem is also divided by the yearly calculations divided by the 2000. Converted into the hours. All the informations given in this problem is the day. That's why first we have to find out the day and then we have to find out the hour. The lubricating rupees 40, 20, consumable, wages operator 56. The total charges is 160. In the per day value is already given in this problem. What they are given in this problem, 40, 20 and 56 are already given in this problem. These are the informations taken into and it can be arriving the total. The total is called a standing charge per hour. It can be divided, it's a day value. It can be divided in the hours. Per day having 8 hours. The 8 hours we have to divide the total value of per day expenses. The hour rate has to be find out 14.50, and then we have to find out the machine expenses. The depreciation has to find out cost plus installation charges minus scrap divided by working life of the machine. These information is given in this problem. Then only we have to find out the answer and then we have to leave it. The information is 90,000 plus 12,000 minus 2,000 divided by number of life is 10 years. These information is already given in this problem. That's why we have to find out the 90,000, 12,000, 2,000 and 10 years. These informations having only you have to find out and then we have to leave it. The value is rupees 10,000 per annum. The depreciation per hour is 10,000. Per value you have to find out 10,000 divided by 2,000 hours, total hours per year, rupees 5 per hour. You have to find it and repose 50% of depreciation. You have to arriving the value and you have again find out the 50% of that value 2.50. And the power 10 units per hour is 10 paise per unit is already given in this problem. You have to take into consideration it multiple by paise 10 units into 0.10 converted into 1. The total value is 23. Comprehensive machine hour rate you have to find out. Thank you.